Okay, so let's do your reading. Aries, hello. Hello from the other side. Okay, so wait lang, darling. Okay, I need to, inom-inom a little bit of a Monica in my life. Okay, so hello my dear Aries. Welcome or welcome back sa ating YouTube channel or Facebook page. My name is RJ, your tarot card reader. At ang gagawin natin today, ano daw? Ulitin mo yun. At ang gagawin natin today is ang iyong second half of December. This is from December 16 hanggang sa katapusan. And this is a general reading. So reminder, paalala lamang po na ang gagawin natin today, wait lang, after ko iusog-usog tong aking lamesa kasi nagsiswinging yung ating mga candle. Okay, so ang gagawin natin today is general reading, so hindi po ito 100% na magre-resonate para sa ating lahat. So please, my dear Aries, lower your expectation pagdating po sa mga general reading, and para po doon sa mga gusto po mag-inquire, magpa-book ng private reading, nasa description box down below ng video na ito, lahat ng kinakailangan mo para ma-contact ako. Kung sakasakali man, kung sakali mang ikaw ay meron ng ibang... Kung sakasakali man, my dear, okay, na pinapanood mo ito, my dear, sa ating Facebook page, don't be afraid to message me. Don't be afraid. Wag mahiya. Don't be afraid. Don't be shy. Don't be shy na mag-message sa akin. Okay, so let's go na tayo, my dear Aries, okay? Pasensya na kayo, my dear, because. Okay, let's go na tayo, my dear. 8 cards in total. Let me see what is going on sa yung second half of December, my dear Aries. Let me see what is going on. Aries. Wow, the 3 of Cups, okay. Something na ipagse-celebrate. Something, okay? Nagse-celebrate sila dyan, my dear, because nagkaroon sila ng masaganang harvest. Okay, this is very, very nice card, my dear Aries, for you. I love the energy because sinasabi ng card na to na sa second half of December, meron kang ipagse-celebrate or meron kayong ipagse-celebrate because this is more than one in the card. Okay, this is a good harvesting, maybe lang maybe something na matagal mong hinihintay, something na matagal mo nang ine-expect ang darating ngayong second half of December. Congratulations. Let me see, additional cards tayo. Aries, second half of December. Ang ganda ng first card mo, dear. Claim it, claim it, claim it. Next card natin is the energy of the King of Wands because you are unstoppable. Sinasabi ng King of Wands over here, you never stop believing. You never stop believing na makukuha mo to. You never stop, my dear, kahit na napaka-imposible nito, kahit na pinagtatawanan ka ng mga tao, kahit na people don't believe you, pinagpatuloy mo pa rin talaga siya, my dear. Naniwala ka na mangyayari itong bagay na to at mangyayari itong bagay na to. And sinasabi ng second half of December, which is 16 hanggang sa katapusan over here na taran, eto na siya. Okay, let me see, additional cards pa tayo, my dear. Additional cards, Aries. Aries. We have here the energy of the Four of Pentacles. Mas focus siya, my dear, sa energy ng kaperahan. Okay, if you have any problem na may kinalaman sa usapin ng pinansyal, if meron mga gumugulo sa'yo or something, yes, very, very focus siya, my dear, sa usapin ng pinansyal. Actually, stuck na situation or posibly, my dear Aries, na hindi mo alam kung paano masusolusyonan to or hindi mo alam kung paano mo gagawan ng paraan itong bagay na to, my dear. There's a tendency, my dear, na maybe you are out of the world. Ay, ano to? Alien? Okay? Maybe you are out of the country. Baka nagkatrabaho ka sa ibang bansa. Baka malayo ka sa pamilya mo as of this moment. And more on money ang nakukuha ko dito talaga, my dear, na problem. Okay? Alam mo, isa pa sa nakukuha ko dito, kasi may nakukuha ko na energy na parang out of the country, something like that. Baka for some of you, for 2026, baka mag-a-abroad. Maybe this time. Okay, yun ang nakukuha ko. Maybe you are finally decided na mag-a-abroad na ako or aalis na ako or something like that. Or maybe I will move. Lilipat ako ng trabaho, something like that. Okay? Parang you are decided, my dear. I can feel sa 2026 na parang merong mga aalis. Merong mga finally decided na, my dear, na okay, gagawin ko na to. Okay? Ito makakatulong para sa mga problema ko sa buhay, something like that. Okay, let me see, additional cards pa tayo. Additional cards for my dear Aries, energy of the world card. This is energy of completion. Okay, completion or happy ending. Okay, so very nice. So far, ang base card natin, my dear Aries, is very, very nice. I love it. Okay? So, medyo to clarify ko lang, my dear, itong sa may usapin ng pinansyal, ha? Itong sa usapin ng pinansyal. Yung pakiramdam niya, my dear, is more on parang, yes, eto na yon, this is it. Pero hindi ko siya parang kino-close, my dear, na eto na talaga yun, like problem solved. Para siyang typical, my dear, na parang nakaisip ka ng solusyon kung paano siya masusolusyonan. Pero for some of you, because this is a general reading, my dear Aries, posible, my dear, na meron kang ma-achieve or meron kang ipagse-celebrate, my dear, ngayong second half of December. Sobrang ganda. Okay, additional cards pa tayo, my dear. 8 cards tayo in total. Aries, we have here the energy of the judgment. Okay, parang sinasabi, my dear, ng ating mga angels, ng ating mga spirit guide over here, ng ating buong may kapal, it's about time for you to be successful. Okay, yun ang nakukuha ko dito, my dear, sa card na to. Parang sinasabi na, Aries, grab mo na yan. Grab mo na yan kasi ilang beses na yan dumaan sa harapan mo, grab mo na yan. Trust your intuition, maniwala ka sa sarili mo, my dear, na para sa'yo talaga yung mga bagay na yan, okay? So, sobrang ganda. Ang ganda ng energy. Let me see, additional cards. Okay, additional cards pa tayo. What is this? We have here the energy of the star. Connected talaga, my dear, sa yung mga dreams. Okay? Your dreams when you wish upon the star. Your dreams came true. When you wish upon the star, when you speak about the joy, and nothing. Ganon. Okay, ang ganda ng energy, my dear. Basta never stop. Never stop. Just keep on going. Keep on moving. Kahit walang naniniwala sa'yo, kahit wala kang kasama ngayon sa journey yan, just keep on going. Your spirit guide, ang buong team, my dear, ng iyong mga spirit guide over here, ang ating buong may kapal, let us say, is in your back. Okay? Is in your back. Nasa likod mo siya, my dear. Okay. Let me see. Parang sinasabi ng card na to, it's time for you to go out in the world. Okay, we have here the star, we have here the temperance, okay? My dear, you just need to believe. Got to believe in magic. You just need to believe, my dear, na kung ano yung problema mo, my dear, ay masusolusyonan niya, my dear. And anything, my dear, na papasok sa isipan mo ngayon, na posible, like for example, nakaupo ka, bigla ka nakaisip, parang gusto ko mag-abroad, parang gusto ko magnegosyo. Anything, my dear, na pumasok, my dear, sa iyong isipan, my dear, will be, can be, it will be the road to maayos itong problema mo sa usapin ng pinansyal. Okay? So let me see, my dear. Last card na tayo. Last card, my dear Aries. Let me see what is going on. We have here the Six of Swords. Slowly but surely, you will get there, okay? So, ano ba eksena talaga ng second half? We have here the Ten of Wands, okay, sa bottom deck of the card. My dear, for some of you, my dear, you will be receiving good news. Okay? Parang good news. Posibleng promotion, trabaho, business idea, something, my dear, na makakatulong dito sa problema mo na ito. Okay? But, hindi ko kino-close, my dear Aries, na hindi mo mamimaintain yung energy na to. 'Di ba? Kasi lagi nangyayari sa atin yan, my dear, na sa una, pag nakaisip tayo ng something na maganda, very excited tayo. Pero pag habang hindi pa natin siya nagagawa o hindi pa siya nangyayari, is parang nagpe-fade yung kanyang energy, okay? Parang sinasabi dito, my dear, you need to believe na kung ano tong papasok, my dear, na energy ngayon, second half of December, will be the road. Ito yung magiging daan para ma-resolve yung mga problema mo, my dear. Okay? Pero for some of you, because this is a general energy, general message, okay? Kung nakapaglabas ka na ng effort, kung nakapagbigay ka na talaga ng effort, as in like binigay mo na, there's a tendency, my dear, na makita mo na yung the fruit of your labor. Okay? So, sa energy ng Ten of Wands over here, my dear, kahit na mag-isa ka lang, kahit na kumbaga parang wag mong sukuan, you are almost there, okay? Kahit na walang sumusuporta sa'yo, kahit na walang pumapalakpak sa'yo, you just need to keep on going. Kahit wala nag-cheer sa'yo, you need to keep on going, my dear. Yung kinakailangan mo, my dear, say nice things to yourself, okay? Be kind to yourself, okay? Wag mong pagsabihan yung sarili mo ng mga words or mga bagay-bagay na hindi maganda, my dear. Be nice, be kind to yourself, my dear. Kasi, yun nga, ang tanging struggle mo lang naman dito, my dear, is ito, yung Ten of Wands. Okay, that is your only struggle over here. Na walang gustong tumulong, na para mag-isa ka lang sa mga pangarap mo, sa mga gusto mong mangyari. Pero, sabi pa nga nila, di ba, Walang imposible sa taong may pangarap, may tiyaga, at may determinasyon. May STD, sipag, tiyaga, at determinasyon. STD. Sakit yun Okay? So, my dear Aries, ito ang reading mo para sa yung second half of December. Somehow, my dear, kung nagustuhan mo ang ating reading, don't forget na mag-subscribe. Pakiclick, my dear, yung notification bell para ma-update ka every time na meron tayong mga bagong upload. And free to like, free to share, free to comment sa lahat po ng ating mga videos. Once again, my name is RJ, also known as Apo J. Maraming salamat po. And until next time, bye-bye. Thank you, my dear.